We're looking for 67. I'll go for 67. I think 67.50 is a stretch. 67 is the next daily level. So I think we can go with 67. It's actually 66.99, I believe. Well, 66.98, close enough. So I think this might be where it gets stuffed. If we can get through 66. It's getting stuffed at 66 right now. Look, all the way back. All the way back. It got slapped at 66 and came
AGX,
all the way back.
Again.
That's terrible,
Again,
man.
reporting revenue of $103.675 million.
Of course.
The estimate was
65.35 is a goddamn
million.
linear regression channel. Of course. It's always going to get in our way.
X-ray.
It's always going to come in and just create problems.
16 cents in earnings.
It's just a pain in the ass.
6 cents. That's AGX.
But looking for that 67. This is the daily level here. I'm looking for it to hit. That 67. Come on. It's getting stuffed at 66.50. I'll take some at 66.50. If it's stuffed, I'll get it. Come on, push it, baby. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Get some right here. Oh man, did this thing hit twice? Oh crud. My sell button hit twice. I don't know why it's doing that lately. This is like the second time in 2 days. This has messed me up. Well, all I can do is see if it'll play. See if it'll pull back to 66. If not, I gotta kill it. I don't know what the hell happened to this thing.
BRZE Rays reported a loss of 40 cents. The estimate was a loss of 18 cents, so wide loss than expected. For BRZE, NAPA Duckhorn Portfolio reported 16 cents. The estimate was 12 cents. That's a beat. Sales 91.2 million is a beat for NAPA.
Are we gonna pull back to 66?
BBOS Vivos
66 was a nice resistance for a minute. Let's see if it's gonna, if it's got enough gravity to suck the price action back into it. But when you make a mistake, or I didn't make a mistake, the thing double clicked my order.
Manufacturing facility in Devens, Massachusetts. That's Bravo Michael Yankee.
I clicked the sell 2/3 button and it went twice.
Palo Alto Networks, PANW, said on June 6th and 7th, Nikesh Arora, Chairman and CEO, completed sale of about 549,838 shares of the company's common stock.
But 66 was holding as support. I mean, as resistance a little bit. If it's still a decent level, it'll suck the price action down to it. Ideally, I would love for it to come back
between September 2020
and bounce off the high of this announcement candle, but
Papa Alpha November Whiskey, that in a filing.
You know, I'm in the trade. Technically, the trade is still viable, even though it was a mistaken entry. As long as it's viable, you got to give it a chance. You know, and I made a post on Twitter talking about this very same thing, about not letting your mistakes, you know, stop you. But yeah, obviously, if you don't know how to read price action and you don't understand, really you shouldn't be trading anyway. But if by chance you are, then yeah, if you make a mistake, you need to bail out because you really don't know what you're doing. But that's why I teach you how to read price action first, so that when these situations arise, you can zoom out, look at the price action, and have an educated decision. You're not making a guess. You're making an educated decision based on the price action that you're watching. But I am surprised it hasn't gotten sucked into 66 yet, considering how strong it was as we were passing through it. I'm surprised we haven't pulled back to 66, unless it took all of those orders out that were sitting there. But you'll never see it on level 2 because it was probably an algo or, you know, some other automated thing. Okay, come on, we're looking for 66. There we go. I figured it will at least pull it back to 66. At least 66 is what I thought.
SMFL, Smart for Life, says on June 7th, we received notification letter from the NASDAQ notifying
if it does fall through
with listing requirements to be listed on the NASDAQ.
If it does happen to fall through 66, I'm going to look for the the linear regression channel and the daily level right here. Not daily level, but the announcement candle high. If not, I'm gonna take it off and look to buy it as we break through 67.
Carvana shares moving again, 25.20.
So we'll see
Up,
what happens here.
Close up $1 after the close now. That's Charlie Victor November Alpha. BIOR, Biora Therapeutics, received compliance letter from the NASDAQ. Bravo India Oscar Romeo, BIOR. COIN Coinbase, Moody's affirms Coinbase corporate family B2 senior debt B1 outlook changed to negative from stable. That's Charlie Oscar India November COIN.
Coinbase. Better get your money out of that.
There's a Coinbase right now down about 10 cents after hours, 54.80. Charlie Oscar India November.
Alright, so we're watching this. This could be forming what you guys call a flag. Maybe pulling back to the daily level. You know, I don't do flags and shooting stars and abandoned babies and all of that stuff. You know, I just read the candlesticks. But whatever it takes for you to see what you need to see, that's what you do. If seeing a flag is what's going to help you understand what you're seeing in the market, then definitely you flag it. If you're seeing whatever patterns you're seeing, whatever candlestick patterns you're seeing, just if it helps you see it, then more power to you. But I would like this to pull back to 65, at least 65, 35 or somewhere in there. You got to go already? Yep, we'll catch you tomorrow. Hopefully, this medicine is kicking this flu's butt. And I can be back to normal tomorrow. Let's take some more profit. Thank you. I hope I can feel better. I had a nice nap leading up to earnings season. I mean, earnings to aftermarket earnings. See if we can get it pulled into that. I just knew the gravity of 66 would pull this in. Come on in, baby. Come on in. The water's fine. Don't stop here. Don't stop, get it, get it. Don't stop, get it, get it. Don't stop, get it, get it. Get it. Got 25 shares left. I left 25 on just in case this was a full-fledged 4-alarm reversal. I could do 64 for the final target. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you this flu has been 3 times worse than when I had COVID. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this flu, it had me struggling to breathe. My throat was closed up so much. Well, number one, the worst thing you could do is sit there and speak it into existence. Now, you've had an 80% success rate. Don't sit there and say I'm due for a losing streak. Don't say that. Just, you have, no matter how good your winning streak is or how bad your losing streak is, you still go in with each trade knowing that anything can happen. Don't even think about it.
CNS, Cohen and Steers. Cohen and Steers announcing preliminary assets under management, net flows for May 2023. Reported preliminary assets under management of $77.9 billion as of May 31st, down $3.1 billion from the AUM at April 30th, 2023. That's Charlie November Sandy.
This looks like a full-on reversal here. I'm gonna add some to this. Probably should have waited for the next candle to close before I added. I added a little too quick. I should have waited for this candle to close and then wait for confirmation.
GM and TSLA, General Motors collaboration with Tesla to integrate North American
now I just felt
design
a shift in momentum.
EVs beginning
the momentum just shifted on this stock.
Collaboration to expand access to charging for GM.
So
EV
let's see what it does here.
Tesla superchargers and growing throughout North America. GM says Tesla's supercharging network will be open to GM EV drivers starting in 2024 and will initially require the use of an adapter. General Motors to also integrate Tesla's supercharging network into its vehicle and mobile apps. That's TSLA and GM. GM CEO Mary Barra having a Twitter discussion with Mary Barra.
How is this thing saying invalid shares? All right, so if this claims the linear regression channel, hold on, I gotta get back to where I was and then we can go. If this claims the linear regression channel right here, 6523. If it claims it and confirms it, I'm out. I gotta take off the loan. What I was crying about was Tesla. I wanted to get Tesla on this news coming out over this little channel that it kicked out here. This thing can run to 250. This aftermarket, if the right players are in. If the right players are in, we can run to 250. But I'm gonna take half off at 240. On Tesla. We should get the 240 first, and then we can keep singing. Got it. 240 hit on Tesla. I'm looking for 245. Next. Or if it starts to get stuck somewhere, you know, I'll monitor it from there. Okay, DOCU, we're still sitting here. Like I said, this is the line in the sand. This is the line in the sand. I think everybody abandoned DOCU and they're gone to Tesla now. That's what I think's happened. This is going to be exciting aftermarket here. I wish I didn't have DOCU on, man. I could have gone in 500 shares on Tesla and paid myself handsomely. See if we can get to 242. It may get stuck at 245, not 250. So I'm going to look at 240, 250 for a half. I'm thinking 245 would be the final target on this. We do have some resistance at 242, but I'm thinking 242. How did I hear it? It came across on Benzinga. The Benzinga squat. That's why I was saying shit, because I was missing the entry. But you guys can't hear it. Come on, dude. You can get to 245. I know. I know that's where you're going. I know you're going to 245. So let's get going here. We got to do something. Damn it. Now it wants to stop and come back. You people are taking profit too soon, you jackass. 240, 250 is where you jerks should be taking profit, not here. All right, so we got our profit target at 64 on DOCU. 62 is next. Is the last place I'm gonna have. Well, no. 75 at 62. So we'll look to take more profit here at 62 as this pulls back. And it might get back to the VWAP. I doubt it. I don't think too many people are interested right now. They're in the Tesla, on the Tesla bandwagon. I might have to take some off at 242. That's where it's getting stuck. It doesn't look like it's going to even get to 242 again. Yeah, everybody moved to Tesla and forgot completely about DOCU. But if we can get another bounce to 242, I will take profit. I will take profit. Don't look like we gonna get it though. DOCU is sitting on the 9. Typically on a reversal, this is where we take profit at. Some kind of deal with GM to where they will both share charging stations. But some ass came in and started dumping shares at 242.50, and they haven't stopped yet. Then they've got other people on board dumping their shares. But that's all right. Once they finish, I think we'll get some more buyers coming in. Technically, the momentum hasn't shifted yet on Tesla. Hopefully, we withstood that first wave of profit taking. What's up, fat boy? I'm still working. Now here's the other thing. If we take out the low, I'm adding to this. I'm adding back the DOCU.
ETE, polarity TE, withdrawal. they're offering. Form RW.
We take out the low. I'm adding back the DOCU.
Company already announced that
There we go.
It's being delisted from the NASDAQ.
So 62. So I'm going to take some more off at 62.
Again, the share is being delisted on June 16th. That's Papa Tango Echo Polarity TE.
Come on down, baby. Come on in. The water is fine. Agua es muy bien. 62, baby. 62 or die. Oh, no. You didn't do that to me. You didn't do that to me. You didn't do that to me. You're playing games. Look at all the orders run through. Did you see all the flipping orders run through and the bid pop? You didn't see that on the freaking tape. You're not gonna see the movers and shakers on your book map. Damn, I should have grabbed it.
Increasing its dividend to 29 cents.
That's my fault. That's greed right there. Greed stopped me from clicking the button. When we were at 62.10, 62.07, I should have clicked the button. And when I saw all those orders going through on time and sales, I should have clicked it. That tells you right there. You don't have to know ahead of time. When it gets there, you will know. I don't know if it's going to come back or not. I doubt it. But I'm going to do this 62.10. Should have done 62.05. All right, let's see if it drops back. Tesla 245 is the next target on Tesla. We got 242. If I would have been a little bit more patient, I would have got my 240, 250, but I'm okay with that. 245 is the next target on Tesla. DOCU looking for 62. Now it's stuck. I don't know if DOCU's going to have enough sellers coming in because of everybody's on Tesla, but we'll see. We'll see if we can get it back down to 62. And to think, I was about to just dismiss DOCU today and just stay laying down. Come on, we're slowly getting back there. Slowly getting back there. Come on. Come on, 62. Show me the money. Show me the money. Tesla 245. Ding, ding, ding. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. 245. I'm leaving 25 shares on just to see how high it can go. And I'm going to choke this shit. I'm going to choke the crap out of DOCU in a minute. I'm about to choke DOCU right now. If it don't sell off and get down to 62, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yeah. I am glad I did not stay in my I'm glad I didn't stay in my slumber. So my final target's going to be 60.35 on DOCU. That's my final target, which would be around the VWAP. The VWAP is like $60.30. So if it pulls all the way back to VWAP, that's about where it needs to be. Man, we had no idea. And that's the thing. You have no idea what the market's going to do when it does it. You have no idea. It just so happens that we were trading earnings. We had that good thing come out.
IEN Sientra shares off the highs now at $2.65.
No, not swinging any shares. No, sir. These last DOCU shares, they're gonna come off either if this thing pulls. I'm believing this is gonna pull back to VWAP. I'm pretty sure this is gonna pull back to VWAP. Oh no, Tesla. I'm not gonna swing it. Tesla's gonna bounce, I believe, and keep and maybe run up some more. So I may add to Tesla if it confirms over 245 and we still have some decent volume. I'm gonna keep trading Tesla.
SIEN Sientra hitting $2.89 now.
Right now, Tesla is just resting.
2 cents up, $1.17 at the high. Sandy, India, Echo, November.
Right now, Tesla is just resting. So I've got how many more minutes? 5 more minutes to get this down. Five more minutes, I think we should get to our final target on this. This candle, we should be able to get to it. Please. Don't make me out a liar. It's bouncing off of 60.50. There we go. Come on down. We took out 60.50. You saw all those orders go through? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, no. Oh, no. We came. You know what? I don't have the damn order out. I just realized that. I don't have the order out. Damn it. no. I didn't have the order out. Oh. I don't think it's coming. Yes, I did. Why didn't it get hit? I did have the order out. Why didn't it get hit? I'm about to call 1-800 choke this stop. That's what I'm about to do. 1-800 choke this stop. See, Tesla, like if it sets up again up here, and we still got people trading good, I mean, I've traded Tesla before till 8 o'clock. Why isn't my order filling? Hold on, I need to look. I need to check my... Let me go online here and check this broker. I don't know if it's filled or... Nope, it's not filled through the broker. There it goes. Damn. Okay, we got that filled. So we're done with DOCU. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that? We get the breakout. It gets stuffed at 70. And the little double action on my the double action on my keyboard here or mouse gets me in the reversal early. But we manage it the right way. Now imagine if I got pissed at myself for making a mistake. Alright guys, but I'm gonna sit here. I'm gonna go do a chore or two. I gotta go see my mom, and I'll be back. I can't believe this thing's gonna go all the way to 59, but I'm not getting back in it. I'm not gonna chase it down. This is where greed gets you. This is where you could take a really good trade and just screw it up by chasing this thing down, thinking that it's going to come all the way back. And it might. But this is where a lot of people mess themselves up. They're not happy with what they got. They jump short. And they turn around and then you get this big move up. I'm not going to do it. So I got the move I wanted. And I'm happy with that. But guys, I'm not going to swing these 25 Tesla shares. I'm not going to swing it. I'm holding it. If it turns around and breaks out, I'm going to add to it. If we lose the 9, I'm taking them off. Alright, so we're not swinging it. But it is 5 o'clock today. I do have to go check on my mom. Make sure she's squared away. But it's been a fun day. Hi, somebody's DMing me wanting to know how much money we made. Alright, I'll show you. I've only got 25 shares left. So I'll show you. Let me chop this up. Alright, that's it for the day. These are the GME shares that we held overnight. Long, thinking that it was gonna recover. It didn't. So this is what we killed pre-market. The GME from earnings yesterday. And Microsoft, this is the Microsoft trade we took on the breakout that didn't work. Once it lost support, we had to take it off. But that's it. An easy, kind of a stress-free $3,100 day, all because of the right mindset. If I had the wrong mindset, this would not be a stress-free day. Yep, DOCU did exactly what I said it was going to do. I've seen it happen too many times to where I know what's likely to happen. Doesn't mean it's going to happen, but you can pretty much tell what's likely to happen. And if the stars are aligning, that's all it takes. But I gotta sign off, guys. I will be back in the morning. I should be able to get up on time because I shouldn't have to load up on medicine to go to sleep tonight. I think this flu is about gone. Taking a nap today, sleep is the only thing that kind of helps me fight it. So that's where we're at. But I'll catch you guys on the other side.